Hey guys, today I'll be showing you all how to create this very pretty mask using two pieces of cloth, and you can also wear this way and this way. So you are going to need two different colors of cloth. So let's get started. Making this, I have taken two pieces of elastic and two pieces of cloth, and it measures 17 centimeters by 26 centimeters. Now take both pieces of cloth, and this should be upside and the bottom one should also face upside. And now fold it this way so that its wrong side is facing upwards, and fold it once and then fold it this way. After folding, you have to mark at 3.5 centimeters and over here at 3 centimeters. And now you are going to need any kind of circular shape. You can also take any kind of plate and trace it this way, and over here you need to trace it. And then, as you all can see, I have traced it, and now you need to cut it in this manner only. And now you have to cut it using scissors. In the same way, cut it over. Now I have cut one piece, two piece, three piece and four piece. And now we will join these both. And we will put a fine stitch over here, and make sure that the wrong side of your cloth will face upwards and the right side of both of the cloths will face inside, and then put a fine stitch. In the same way you have to do with this one also. So now I have stitched it over here as well as over here on both pieces, and now turn it this way and turn this one also upside down. And now fold this again this way, and make sure that one of your this should be upwards, should face upwards, the right side should face upwards, and the second one's the wrong side should face upwards. And then put these both this way, and then put a fine stitch over here as well as over here. Do not stitch over here, but you have to stitch over here and over here. Now I have stitched the sides and then turn it. And then stretch it this way. So this is the basic shape of our mask. Now from top you have to stitch it one side from upper side. Put a upper stitch And then at the sides, what you have to do is to fold the sides inside. This way. And then take your elastic thread and put it inside and put a fine stitch over here. Same way you have to repeat it for this side, and make sure to stitch it over here also before stitching the elastic bands. Now my all 3 masks are ready, and this is for kids and these 2 are for elders. So I hope the video was really helpful. Please like, share and subscribe. Don't forget to click the bell icon for more latest updates. See you all next time. Bye.